tidak ada kata lain bahwa kita ini sudah ada berada di papan bawah. Jadi tidak ada kata lain, kita kedepannya harus lebih baik, kerja keras dan intinya harus maksimal lah.
Selamat sore. First, say congratulations for Persebaya. They have tiga attempts, tiga shoots to the goal and score one goal. We have more opportunities, more goal attempts, more shoots, more corners, but we not score a goal. I think we make a good game, like we make a good game also against Bali. But football is a result. Football is a result. And we lose against Bali with one less player. And now we lose against Persebaya. We not lose because the referee. I got to repeat. We not lose because the referee. This picture that you see here was number 3 that make minute 10 and 50 seconds to our player Zaki, number 11. This normally is mera card, but we not lose because the referee. I think on the football we must see not just the result, because sometimes we lose but we make good things, and sometimes we win but we not make good things. There is always things that we need to improve. And today, one of the things that we need to improve is accuracy, because we create many chances. They score a fantastic goal outside of the box. I think the game was fantastic, because here the supporters make a fantastic environment. I think was Bago's game. But unfortunately, sometimes the decisions happen. If was PSM Makassar player make this, maybe mera card. We are the team with more mera cards, and the opponent teams against us never mera card. I don't believe on coincidence. I respect everybody, but please respect the players that work hard. Respect our staff of the club, because you don't know the problems that we have on the club. It's very complicated to manage in this moment PSM Makassar. So I make a request for PSM Makassar supporters. Next match we're gonna play on Bali, AFC Cup playoff. I know that it's far away from Makassar, but we know also that there are many supporters that have passion for PSM Makassar. We hope that they can come and support PSM Makassar on Bali. Not just the PSM Makassar supporters, but I think also Indonesia supporters, if you can go to support, because I think it's very important that another team from Indonesia can compete on AFC Cup and can collect and catch points on the ranking to improve the ranking of Indonesia.
Ya, pertama saya ucapkan selamat buat Persebaya yang sudah meraih kemenangan sore ini. Yang pastinya dari semua kita dari pemain PSM Makassar sudah memberikan segalanya, udah kerja keras, tetapi keberuntungan mungkin belum berpihak kepada kami. Mungkin itu aja.
Yes, it's if we analyze the statistics and compare last season with this season, it's true what you say. The defeats that we take this season against Dewa United, Persik, Bali, and now Persebaya, if you will go to analyze all the matches, we get more attempts and opportunities. And also against Bali, we play more than 1 hour with one player less. What you say is true, and I agree. But don't forget, last season, nobody believed in us. we are one team that everybody think go to relegate. On this moment, everybody want to beat the champion. On this moment also, and we not lose because was it. I repeat, this is a coincidence. We not lose because was it. And also, many times on the game, if a player make a fall or something like for the referee think it's fall, against us always. Go to analyze. I not want to be analyze of referee. I want to be analyze of football. But sometimes these make the difference, because if you go to see many matches that the people stop our play with consecutive falls, this on Europe, what happened? One player, same player, make 1, 2, 3, 4 falls, give kartu kuning. After this player not go to repeat the full. But here, they allowed to make this. If our player make this, direct kartu kuning. Oh, I don't know if you don't like to go to pare-pare, but sometimes I feel that nobody want to go pare-pare, also the referees and the opponent teams. But I believe that if you go to pare-pare, the people there, they like to take care of the others people that come. So unfortunately now opponent team cannot take supporters there, but this season is a different history. What happened last season, finish. Now we're gonna fight to not relegate. This is our history, because in this moment we have 11 points, and I don't know what's gonna happen in the other matches, but maybe we go on the relegate zone. So we must be humble. This is football. Sometimes this is a game. Sometimes we have many opportunities, but we don't score, and another team with less opportunities score goal. This is why it's a game. Because if it's just the statics, so Barcelona, Manchester City win all the matches, and this not happen.
Ya, kalau menurut saya sih tidak jadi beban, karena di mana musim ini kita sebenarnya sudah bermain lebih bagus daripada musim kemarin. Buktinya kita sering, setiap pertandingan kita sering banyak peluang, cuma nggak bisa gol. Nah itu yang jadi masalah. Nah mungkin jadi PR nanti, itulah yang kita akan perbaiki, dan tidak ada kata lain bahwa kita ini sudah ada berada di papan bawah. Jadi tidak ada kata lain, kita kedepannya harus lebih baik, kerja keras, dan intinya harus maksimal lah seterusnya. Terima kasih.
Oke, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.